Hello kids, let's learn the image formation in this case. In this case, the object is kept in front of a concave mirror between pole and focus. So keeping the object over here, labeling the object as AB. What is the object position? Object is kept between focus and pole of a concave mirror. Now we need to draw the two standard incident rays. The very first ray which I am drawing is parallel to principal axis. After reflection, it will pass from focus. Marking the arrow for the incident ray and for the reflected ray of light. The second standard incident ray that I will be drawing is a ray of light which passes from center of curvature. After reflection, retraces its path, marking the arrow for incident ray and for the reflected ray. Now kids, if you observe the two reflected rays of light, that is this one and this one, you will see that the distance between these two reflected rays is continuously increasing. ये दोनों ही reflected rays आपस में दूर दूर जा रही हैं. And if they are going apart from each other, if they are diverging, will they ever intersect on this side of a mirror? क्या वो आपस में कभी मिल पाएंगी? नहीं मिल पाएंगी, right? Then where exactly will be the image forming? For that reason, understand kids, if we observe these reflected rays of light from this point, अगर हम यहाँ पर खड़े होकर इन reflected rays of light को देखते हैं तो हमें क्या लगेगा? It will appear to us that the reflected rays of light were coming somewhere from behind the mirror. हमें लगेगा कि ये rays of light कहीं mirror के पीछे से आ रही थी, like this, and where they appear to be meeting at this point. So this is the point where the virtual image of this object will be formed. Because the image is virtual, we will not draw it with a solid line, but we will represent it with a dotted line like this. Labeling the image as A dash, B dash. This was the object. This is the image. And let's learn what are the image properties. If we see and if we observe, we see that the image is now formed inside the mirror, or we can say behind the mirror. So the image position is behind mirror. What is the nature of the image? Are the reflected rays of light really meeting at this point? No, they only appear to be meeting at this point, and thus at this point, the image that will be formed will be virtual. Kids, a virtual image is always erect in orientation. So nature is virtual and orientation is erect. What about the size of the image? If you compare the size of the object and size of the image, you can clearly see that the image is larger as compared to that of object. Matlab, image is enlarged. So in this case, we see that when we place the object between pole and focus of a concave mirror, a virtual, erect and enlarged image of this object is obtained behind the mirror. अगर मैं इसे easy language में बताऊं तो मैं ऐसा बोल सकती हूँ कि concave mirror इस पर्टिकुलर केस में जब आप एक ऑब्जेक्ट को पोल और फोकस के बीच में रखते हो तो मान लीजिए आपका ऑब्जेक्ट एक टिंगू बली है, छोटा सा ऑब्जेक्ट है, तो एक कॉन्केव मिरर इस टिंगू बली को बाहुबली बना देगा, right? And that bahubali can be seen inside the mirror. What is the application? What is the use of this case? So majorly a concave mirror for this case is used by dentist. It is also used as a shaving mirror and it is also used as a makeup mirror. तो आपने कभी ध्यान से देखा होगा कि अगर आप अपने डेंटिस्ट के पास कभी गए होंगे ट्रीटमेंट कराने के लिए तो डेंटिस्ट आपके दांतों को ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए, एग्जामिन करने के लिए मेक्स यूज ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ अ मिरर. He inserts this kind of a mirror in your mouth and he observes where exactly is the infection happened. Right? और जब डेंटिस्ट इस तरीके के मिरर में आपके छोटे 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 दांत देखता है तो आपके दांत enlarged दिखाई देते हैं, बड़े दिखाई देते हैं. Why? So that the dentist can easily examine your tooth and exactly find what is the decay. Right? So in this particular case, the object, which is teeth, is placed between the pole and focus of a concave mirror. An enlarged image of the teeth can be seen inside this mirror. सेम हैपन इन अ शेविंग मिरर. शेविंग मिरर में क्यों हम कॉनकेव मिरर यूज कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमारे चेहरे पर जो छोटे 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 बाल हैं, when we want to shave them, we want to see an enlarged image. We want to see them clearly, where exactly are the hairs present and how easily we can remove them. And to obtain the enlarged image of your facial hairs, we make use of a concave mirror. Same thing goes with a makeup mirror. I hope you have understood how a Tingubali object becomes Bahubali in this case. Thank you for watching.